So the product's called Sticky Stone by Technic Seal.
Did you move the brush somewhere?
It's right there on the ground.
Oh, I forgot.
And then
grab me one of the bag trowels on my nice one. Yours? This is the time lapse, right? Nope, it's actual video. So just making sure I'm knocking off some of this stuff. You guys do TikTok and stuff like that? Yeah. Well, I'm making a video right now, so I'll explain it to you after, but because I'm making more stuff I gotta edit out. But yeah. More just me. Jeremiah says he wants to help me get into it, but yeah, I've been doing it. So you're actually in one of the videos that has seen the most views. Correct? Yeah, I'll show it to you. We did the show. Social media manager right there. Yep. Anything else you need? Nope. I'm just trying to make sure all these anything loose. We're doing little stone repairs like this. We want to make sure all the loose stuff is off. So just trying to knock it like this. And this one more than stick to it, so you don't have to worry about.
We're gonna be putting a little bit more on these ones than we usually would, Aiden, because they have more weight to them.
Okay. Oh, it's a weight pro. Okay. Alright, I get it. I thought you were trying to make up for the lack of because I know there's mud right there on the back. I don't even know if that's mud. I think.
Yep,
stone.
it is. Where usually we would clean them off to be able to lay more mud. This we're just gonna. Oh, it looks like we're gonna need that new stick anyways.
We gotta save ourselves. You wanna cut the tip of that one? You wanna cut the tip? Cut the tip off? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need the second one. Wait. You are putting a new glue stick in the gun. You want to make sure that anything that's open the tip is protruding, so when you stick it, it doesn't get caught, can't get it off.
Later, and or it doesn't screw on right. Sounds like I'm talking to myself when I'm doing it. I guess, but it makes it so I don't have to edit in my voice later.
You just put background music and shit like that
on the shorts. That's pretty much all I've been doing right now, but I'm working on a big video from this weekend. So you gotta put some music behind it. Yep. You got that top? Another thing is I'm starting from the bottom. Yeah, even this for you two to learn. So I'm laying the stone in lower to higher, just like we're laying, because the weight of the next stone, so it has something to rest on. Mm-hmm. So okay, I got you. So always remember that. I think that's something you already know, but I had to say it for the camera.
I don't think I'd ever lay top to bottom.
Yeah. Well,
I feel like that's a little counterintuitive.
For camera purposes, some people like to watch to learn.
Might need to chip a little bit off.
Maybe, or something tells me that. Yep.
That bitch in. Seems like it's a little thing right there that's sticking out.
What, right here?
Nope, on this side.
Yep, that's how it was.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you gotta remember, it's still rounded.
I didn't know if it was like blocking you or something.
Nope.
Lord.
So it's actually harder to lay these in than starting fresh because we gotta make sure that they're set right when we put them on. They gotta be level because like if we push in too much on this side and then it's not level and we try to level it, then it doesn't have the proper bond, the glue. Now you're learning something.
Attributed to the legendary Hellenistic figure Hermes Trismegistus, whatever. Text first appears in a number of early medieval Arabic sources. Oldest of which to date